Okay, student, today we'll learn mathematics part 1 standard 10 practice set 6.1 page number 138. Okay. Such as this problem, direct method. So first we'll see how to calculate class mark. Class mark formula is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. That you have to calculate here. Okay, that we will calculate. Okay, for each. So this is the class mark. It's a lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. 0, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2 divided by 2. That we have to write it here. Okay, that we will do now. So that is equal to 0 plus 2 divided by 2. 2 by 2, that is 1. That we will write in here. Okay. I'll take this value, 2 plus 4 divided by 2, 6 by 2, that is 3. Now this one is equal to 4 plus 6 divided by 2, 10 by 2, that is 5, write 5 here. Now take this is equal to 6 plus 8 divided by 2, 14 upon 2, that is 7. Okay. Next is this is equal to 8 plus 10 divided by 2, 18 divided by 2, that is 9. So this is the way you have to calculate class mark. Okay, simple. Now we'll see how to calculate this. Now we'll calculate this. Means you have to multiply fi into xi. Okay, fi into it is 7 into 1, 7. 18 into 3, 54. So you have to do like this. Okay. 12 into 5, 16. 10 into 7, 70. And here 3 into 9, 27. So you have to multiply this and this. Okay. Okay, now you got f(x) and I have to calculate the total. Okay. I calculate this total and you have to add it. Okay. Calculate. You got this total. Calculate for this. Okay. That you calculate, you will get. Okay. Now we'll write the formula and do it. So for direct method formula, mean is summation of fi xi upon summation of fi. So that will become 218 upon 50. That is 218 divided by 5 into 10. Break it. That will do it there. Okay. 218 divided by 5. Take point. Okay. So that will become 43.6 and this is remaining 10. So that will become, because the 10 point will shift here. So 4.36. It is the final answer. Now let's do next problem. Okay, second problem, first we'll calculate class mark, okay, from here. So that is equal to 300 plus 400 divided by 2. That to calculate, okay. That will be, take 50 from here, or you can calculate like this, it will become 350, okay. That will write here. Now take next one, 400 plus 500 divided by 2, it is 450. Now take third one, 500 plus 600 divided by 2, that will become 550, okay. Why? Because it is 1100 divided by 2, do it here, you will get this, okay. And then next one is 600 plus 700 divided by 2, that is become 650. Okay. I'll take last one, it's 700 plus 800 divided by 2, that you will get 750. So this is class mark. Now we will calculate this. We can now calculate this, D as X minus A. But what is A? A is middle one, okay. This is A. But if there are more numbers like 350, 450, 550, 650, 750, 850, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. So you can take this, A is this, or A is this, okay. You can take this or this. It's okay, you can take this, no problem. But here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, middle one will take it as a. I will solve it, okay. Now we have to just put the value here. It will become 350 minus 550, that is minus 200. Next is 450 minus 550 minus 100. Calculate here, 550 minus 450, you get 100. Then take fifth one, 550 minus 550, that will be 0. Sorry, it was 100, minus 100, 0. Then take this, 650 minus 550, that is 100. Now take this, 750 minus 550, that is 200. So this is the way we have to calculate, okay, exam manager. Now we will do this. Okay, now this, Fi into Di. Fi is 80, Di is minus 200, okay. 8 into 2, minus 16, 1, 2, 3, 0. Sorry, one more 0 will come, okay. The next one, 110 into minus 100, that will become minus 110 and this 0. Now take this, 120 into 0, 0. And it is equal to 70 into 100, that is 7,000. Now take this, 40 into 200, 4 into 2, 8. Okay, so this is Fi. Okay, now I will add it, okay. Summation of Fi, summation of Fi D. So you add it, how much you will get? That will write it, okay. Add it. Here you cannot add it like this, minus is there, so you have to add like this, okay. Add this, 1600, 1100 plus 000725 minus 27000. Add this, okay. 8,000, 7,000, it is 15000, it is 15000. Now we have to subtract it with minus plus, so that's why 2700 minus 15000 0, 2 and 1, and because it is minus is there, so minus 1 2 0 get 14. Okay, now you have to put the formula. Now for assume main method, main is equal to, they have the formula is equal to a plus d bar, but that is equal to a plus d bar is this summation of fy dA upon summation of fy. So that will become a is how much? A is 550 plus summation is this minus 12000 divided by this is 420. Okay, that we calculate here. Okay, minus 12000 divided by 420, cut this. Okay, then it will go into table. Okay, so upon 42 both will go, that will become 12 into 100 upon 42, it will become 7 into 6 into, sorry it is wrong, it will go to 2 into 6 into 7, so that will become 200 upon 7. Okay. Now divide it here. Okay, 200 divided by 7 into 2 14, then subtract, it will become 50. 7 into 8 56, 4 will come, point 5 35, 7 into 7 49, it will go on like this. You want it, that to write it here. Okay, so that value you put it here, that is equal to 550, because plus minus 28.57, that is equal to, that will calculate. Okay, $550.00 minus 28.57, that we calculate here. That is equal to 521.43. So this is the answer. Okay, right, repeat it given. So this is the final answer. Now let's do next problem. Okay, now I'll do third problem. First we'll calculate this. Direct method mean only 1 2 3 4 column. Okay, so now lower limit is given, so it is 1 plus 2 divided by 3, that is 3 divided by 2 1.5. Now take next number, 2 plus 3 divided by 2, 5 by 2, that is 2.5. That to do it here. Okay, 5 by 2 you will get. Then 3 plus 4 divided by 2, 7 by 2, that is 3.5. 7 2 2 3 is 6, 1.05, that will get. Now here 4 plus 5 divided by 2, 9 by 2, that is 4.5. The last one is 5 plus 6 divided by 2, that is 11 by 2, how much you get? 5.5. Okay, now we will calculate f(x). I have to just multiply. Okay, now f(x), 17 into 1.5, that to calculate here, 17 into 1.5, and they will get. Okay, So that is 25.5 because point is there. So point, it will become 25.5. Then take next one. 13 and 2.5. Okay, here also multiply like this. Then I will get 32.5. Take this one. 10 into 4.5. It is point will go this side. That's all. 45 you will get. Sorry, 35. 10 into 3.5. Point will go here. So it will become 35. Now take 7 into 4.5. Okay. Calculate here. You will get, okay, 31.5. And calculate 3 into 5.5. That you will get 16.5. Okay. Now you have to just add it, okay. Summation of F5 and your summation of F5 xi. Add it. And you will get here 50, okay. And see, that should match this answer and this answer. Okay, it should match, otherwise it is wrong. Okay. Now let us calculate this. That will you do it here, you will get, okay. You add it and you will get. Okay. Now it is direct method. So direct method means mean x bar is equal to summation of F5 xi upon summation of F5. That is 141 upon 50. Okay. That will do it there. That will become 141 upon 5 into 10. Do this 141 upon 5. How much? 5 into 2, 10. And then 1 will come down. 5, 40. 1 come down. Take point 0. So that will become 28. Sorry, 5 into 2. Okay, 5 into 2, 10. Okay. So that will become 28.2 upon 10 is remaining. That is the point will go this side, okay. So that is 2.82 liters. This is the answer because liter is here. Okay. And now next we do next problem. We can now do fourth problem. First calculate class mark. Okay. So it will become 25 plus 30 upon 2. Okay, so that will become 55 upon 2. That will do here, okay, 55 by 2. How much you will get? 2 to 2, 4, 1, 2 to 7, 14. Okay, get 27.5. Now let's do for this. 30 plus 35 upon 2. Do it here and you will get here, okay, 32.5. Then this one, 35 plus 40 upon 2. That also will get 37.5. Then 40 plus 45 upon 2. Okay. That also will get 42.5. And this one, 45 plus 50 upon 2. That you will get 47.5. Okay. So this is the class mark. Now we will calculate this. We can now calculate this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Middle is this. So this is A. So exercise this 27.5 minus 37.5. Okay. That would do here. So minus 10. That is right here, minus 10. Now take this one. 32.5 minus 37.5. 37.5, 32.5. That will get 5. Okay. So, but here minus is big. Okay. So minus 5 get. Then take this number 37.5 minus 37.5. 0. Okay. And take this 42.5 minus 37.5. Do it here. Get 5. Then it's equal to 47.5 minus 37.5. That is 2. Okay. I got this. Now I have to calculate this. I have to calculate FI DA. FI is this. 20 DI minus 10 minus 200. 25 into minus 5 minus 125. And it is equal to 15 into 0, 0. And it is equal to 10 into 5. That is 50. Okay. Don't write it here. Some students write like this. Okay. Don't write properly. Write properly so that you can add it properly. If you don't write like this, you can add properly. 10 into 10 is equal to 100. I have to add it, that's all, okay? If I calculate this part, okay? Summation of 5 calculate, okay? So that will be 18. Summation of Fi xi. You cannot add it, first you have to take this, you have to take this, okay? So first we take this, 200 and 125, 325 minus 325, and here 150, 150. Now you have to subtract it, 325 minus 150, that is 5, it will become 2, it will become 12, 7, 1, okay? But here minus is big, okay, minus is big. So that's why you will get minus 175, okay? So this is the answer for this. Now let's write the formula for assume mean method, okay? A plus d bar, that is A plus d summation of Fi dA upon summation of Fi. That is equal to is 37.5 plus that is minus 175 divided by 80, okay? That you have to calculate, okay? That you do it here, okay? So this is minus 175 upon 80. That is minus 175 upon 8 into 10. So it divided 175 upon 8. Okay, that will round it, okay? 21.87, round it. That will become 21.9, okay? That we write it here. $37.5 plus minus 21.9 upon 10 is remaining 10. So that will become 37.5 minus, it will go this side, it will become 2.19. Okay, that you have to calculate. That is 7.5, 2.19, take 0 here. It will become 4, 10, 1, 3, 5, 3. That will become 35.31. Okay. But here 1000 is given. Okay. So that is equal to 35.31 into 1000. So that will become 35310 rupees. That is the final answer. Okay. I'll see how you got the 3. 3 0 and 1 2 3. So that is 3531 put 1 0. That's why I got it. Okay. Next we'll do next problem. Okay, fifth problem. The extra column will come, UI will come. Okay. I will calculate XI. Formula is this. Put it this. Or you can take lower limit. Okay. No problem. 0 plus 500 divided by 2. That is 250. Next one is this. 500 plus 1000. Okay. So that will become 500 plus 1000 divided by 2. That we calculate here. Okay. That is equal to 1500 divided by 2. That we do it here. And we will get. Okay. That will become 750. Okay. Now let's do for this one. Same thing. It is 1000 plus 1500 divided by 2. Okay. So that also will get as 1250. Now calculate for this. That is 1500 plus 2000 upon 2. That we will get as 1750. Now calculate for this. 2000 plus 2500 divided by 2. Okay. So that we will get as 2250. Okay. This is class mark. Now we'll calculate this. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is A is the middle. Okay. Now you have to use that formula. That's all. Now DI is equal to XI minus A. That we calculate. Okay, now calculate this. That will become 250 minus 1250. 1250 minus 250. Calculate, put it here. Minus, it is minus. So that's why it will become minus 1000. Okay. So because it is minus, now take other number. 750 minus 1250. That you calculate. Okay. So you will get minus 500. Now it is equal to 1250. Calculate, you get 0. Now it is equal to 1750. That you will get 500. Okay. And you calculate this. 2250 minus 1250. That you will get 1000. Okay, now you have to calculate UI. UI is equal to DI upon G. That will calculate. Okay. Okay, we'll calculate DI. But G, how to get G? G is equal to GCD of all D. Okay. That is 500. Okay. I can do it like this. Okay. Take that value, forget. Math, forget. Put all this value. Okay. 10, 5, 0, 5 into 2. There is no common, so it is 100 into 5 is equal to 500, so that is G. Okay. So G is 500. Now we'll put this and find it. Okay. So it is HCF. Okay. HCF is equal to 500. Let's get it. Now di is this minus this upon 500. Okay. That will get minus 2. Okay. Next one is 750 minus 500 upon 500. That is minus 0. Minus is 0. Then take 500 upon 500. That is 1. And this is equal to 1000 upon 500. That is 2. So we get this. Okay. I will multiply this part. Okay. Fi and y. Fi and y. Fi is 35 and it is minus 2. Okay. Minus 70. And it is 28 and minus 1. Minus 28. That would write it here. Is equal to 32 into 0. That is 0. 15 into 1. Okay. That is 15. You write it 15. And it is 10 into 2. 20. Okay. I have to add it. That's all. I take summation of Fi. You add it. You get. Okay. You add it, it should match. Okay. It should match, otherwise it is wrong. Calculate summation of Fi Ui. Okay. For that, you have to first calculate this part. Okay. 70 plus 28, 98. Minus 98. And 15 plus 20, 35. Now you have to subtract it. 98 minus 35. Okay. That you will get 3, 6. So, but here minus is big. Minus 63. You get this. Okay. Now you have to write a formula for step deviation method. Step deviation method. Mean x bar is equal to a plus what u bar dot g. Okay. So a is, but you write this a into u bar is summation of Fi u upon summation of Fi into g. That is u a is this 1250 plus this is minus 63 upon this is 120 and g is given 500. Okay. G we got. Okay. G was 500 into 500. Okay. Okay, we got this. Now we have to calculate this. That's all. Okay, I'll calculate this. Okay. Separately, I'll calculate this. So forget this minus. Take the 63 upon 120 into 500. 0, 0 cut. It will go in 3 table. That will become 21 upon 4 into 50. Okay, it will go in 225. So that 21 into 25. 21 into 25. So that will become 525 upon 2. That will do it here. Okay. Okay, so we get this 262.5, that we write it here. Okay, that we write it here. That is equal to 12560 plus minus 262.5. Now you have to subtract it. Okay, okay, so that you write it here. So this is the final answer. Repeat means repeat. Okay. Next we will do next problem. Okay, student, this is the formula. Direct method 4 column 1, 2, 3, 4. Summation of f, summation of x formula. Assume main method 5 column and A will come from class mark. Okay, this is the formula. Step deviation method 6 columns. You can divide G is the, we saw last problem, GCD. This is the formula. You have to remember for mean. Okay, now let's do for problem. Okay, sixth problem. You have to find this class mark, you have to add it. 1000 plus 2000 divided by 21500. Okay. Similarly, you'll get for this also. Sorry, it will become 2000 and 2000. 2500. And for this. And that will become 3000 and 4000. That will become 3500. And for last one, it is 4000 and 5000. That will become 4500. And calculate the exact. Other two is there. Okay. Which one? Yes, which one? Always try to take top one. Okay. Take this. A is this. You can take 350 as A. Okay, you can take. I have to calculate DI is equal to XI minus A. XI is given 1500 minus A is 2500. So, okay, so that you will get minus 1000. Now next one is I think go to 2500 minus 2500. 0. Next one is 3500 minus 2500. I'll get minus 1000. Okay. Sorry, 1000 will come. 1000 because it is plus the bigger one. Okay. It will become 4500 minus 2500. Okay, that to do it here. 450 minus 2500. Okay. Now you can see, okay, G is equal to 1000. Okay. Very easy. Okay. So G is equal to 1000. Or you can calculate like this. Minus 1000, 0. Take 1000 here. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So G, there is no common, means G will be 1000. So you have to divide it. Dy is equal to dA upon G. Minus 1000 upon 1000. That is minus 1. It is 0. And it is 1000. 1000 upon 1000. 1. And it is 2000 upon 1000. That is 2. That's all. And calculate Fi Uy. Fi is 25 into minus 1. Minus 25. Okay. And it is 45 into 0. 0. It is 50 into 1. 50. It will go to 30 into 2. That is 60. We have to write this 0, 50 and 60. Now you have to just add it. Okay. Summation of Fi. 0, 1. I think we'll get 150. Okay. 150. It should match. Okay. ये मैच होना जरूरी है. मैच नहीं होगा तो रॉन्ग. And calculate summation of Fi Uy. That is minus 25 and 60 plus 50, 110. Okay. So that will get. So now you have to subtract it. 110 minus 25. Okay, so that will become 85 because it is big. So minus 85 won't come, plus 85 because it is big. Now you have to write the formula. That's all. Okay. Okay. So what is the formula? X bar is equal to A plus U bar into G. So that is A plus U bar is summation of Fi Uy upon summation of Fi into G is 1000. And you can write A is 2500 plus it is 85 upon 150 and G is 1000. That you have to cancel it. Okay. That's all. That will do here. Okay. This part will do here. So calculate this here. Okay. It will become 3 into 5, 5 into 20. Okay. That is calculate here, 85 into 20. That will become 1700.3. 70 into 100.3. That would calculate here. So 5 there, 15. More like that. Okay. 5. That is rounded. Okay. So 5.6. So 5.66 rounded. That will become 5.7. Okay. So that to write it here 5.7. Into 100. So that will become 1, 2 because 100 is 570. That we put it here 570. So that will become 2500 plus 570. 2500 plus 570. Okay, so this is the answer. That is equal to 3070 rupees. Okay. Next we will do median. Okay. I hope I got that. Okay, now let's move on to next problem.